I'll Today I want to show you how to hide your apps from the screen, or if you want to restrict someone else to use a specific app, you can hide it, or you can just do this. First of all, require Face ID. Now, if you activate this, you will have to put your Face ID, and of course this will restrict anyone else but you to use the app, because it will ask for the Face ID. Otherwise, press and hold. Now you have to disable it first. Disable this option, go again, require Face ID, and at this point you take hide and require Face ID. Confirm with your Face ID, and it will ask for confirmation. So once you said hide app, it will disappear from here, and you can find it here in the hidden folder. So if you go here and see, I've hidden already 2 apps here, but if you want to remove them from here, don't require Face ID, confirm, and it goes away from here. Confirm again, and they gone back. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.